Guten Tag, liebe Schüler und Schülerinnen. Heute sprechen wir über die Artikel im Akkusativ. Today we are going to talk about articles in the accusative. Let's make sure that you understand the terms that we're using here. An article is, you've already learned that, der, die, das, definite articles. Ein, eine, indefinite articles, kein, keine. Mein, meine, dein, deine, possessive articles. Now let's look at the cases. In German we have what is called a case, where certain words have to change their form depending on which part of the sentence they're in. You've already used the nominative case. The nominative refers to the subject. Okay, so if a word or a group of words is the subject of the sentence, then we would use the nominative case. The accusative case we would use when the word or the group of words is the object of the sentence or a object of the sentence. So let's look at both of these cases in depth. Nominative. Mein Bruder heißt Martin. Here, mein Bruder is in the nominative case. Das ist mein Bruder. Both das and mein Bruder are in the nominative case. Let's look and see why. Well, our verb in these sentences is heißt and ist. That's our verb. And the subject of the first sentence is mein Bruder. And we already heard that the subject is in the nominative case. And in this sentence it is das. Okay? So the subject equals the nominative. Okay, but in the second sentence we also have mein Bruder here. Okay, and this is not our subject because das is our subject. This is. But when the subject and the object are referring to the same thing, because das is the same thing as mein Bruder, then we call this part of the sentence the predicate nominative, das Prädikat Nominativ, which means that this part of the sentence would also be in the nominative. So far so good. Now let's take a look at the Akkusativ. Here are some examples of sentences that use an Akkusativ. First one here, ich habe einen Bruder, hat keine Geschwister. Let's determine our verb first again. Our verbs here are habe and hat. And our subject is ich and er. And now we have something over here that is not equal to the subject. Ich and einen Bruder is not equal to the subject. Er and keine Geschwister is not equal. Okay? Those are definitely different people. And we call this then the object. And because they're the object of the sentence, we're going to put them in the accusative case. So what does that mean, putting something in the accusative case? It means that we're going to take the article and we're going to show that it is accusative. And the only one that we really have to worry about is the masculine form, because all the other ones stay the same. So in this case with the plural, you don't even have to know if it's nominative or accusative because it stays the same. But here you can tell there is a difference. Okay, so the masculine forms of your indefinite article and your possessive articles are as follows. Ein becomes einen, kein becomes keinen, mein becomes meinen, and dein becomes deinen. So the only thing that changes is the masculine form. All others stay the same. And that's it. Tschüss, bis bald.